Hi, this is Christian with Storm Equipment. Today we're talking about the Metal Pless 83013 Live Edge. There are three things in the center of this moldboard that make it unique in the industry and the best one in the industry. Starting at the bottom, these silver sections are the live edge sections, the live edge technology. These are carbide tipped edges that will scrape for years and years without replacement. On top of the carbide, in those edges we have what's the actual live edge technology. The carbide tipped edges can float up and down over obstacles in any of your accounts. Not only do they go up and down, the actual right and left side have their own articulation from side to side within that individual section. Above the silver live edge technology, in this section, we have what I like to call the dog door. This is the HD soft trip technology. What I mean by dog door is that pivot point when an obstacle comes into this moldboard, strikes this section, and this section by itself will trip straight back from the top. Why that is important is for the operator. They don't have that jarring feeling on like traditional standard edge plows that when the edge hits the obstacle, it catapults the plow over the obstacle. The HD soft trip, it hits, trips back, and then reset with minimal snow loss and getting you back to that unparalleled live edge scrape. Above that, we have the one-of-a-kind, unique moldboard design by Metal Pless. It is not just one continuation of the moldboard. You can see that on this curvature, there is different sections. Why that is important? Because with these flat spots, air pockets can be made, and as you push and roll the snow, those air pockets reduce friction and causing an unparalleled roll and push on your longer pushes in your open accounts that have those long runs. Moving around to the wing. On the wing, starting at the bottom, we see that same dog door HD soft trip technology that, once again, if an obstacle strikes this wing, it kicks back and resets with a metal spring. On the wing, you still have the carbide inserts, but you don't have that contouring technology. But you still do have the unparalleled life of the carbide inserts with that HD soft trip. Here we have a curb runner, like the name implies. This will go in a curb along your curb section of accounts and helping you collect that snow on every square inch of your account. Moving around to the back, we have the curb runner on the end of the wing to give you that good scrape up against curb sections of your snow accounts. Up at the top, we have two cylinders that are parallel cylinders that work together to give you the independent angulation of each wing. Two cylinders for twice the power, twice the longevity, and each wing can move 180 degrees to give you the full pusher formation or the full back drag formation. I have a lot of customers say they're worried about getting into a hydraulic angle plow because they're worried about the extra functions and something happening to these plows. The beautiful thing about these plows is they're very well built, but on top of that, in the hydraulic system with the cylinders, they have a cushion block. So in the event that something, let's say a telephone pole or a tree, were to strike this wing, this cushion valve will allow the oil to bypass, and then the wing can fold open, protecting your investment. Working around to the back of this plow, we can look at the bottom and we see we have the live edge springs, like we talked earlier, that give you the up and down float and the side to side articulation, accompanied by the long, big HD soft trip or dog door trip system. Back here in the center on this 83013 live edge plow, we have the DVDE system giving you three functions with one set of hydraulic hoses. Up top is a new option in the last year. This is to show you to run the plow in the correct position to have in your slip hitch. This gives you the optimal angle to have your plow run most efficiently in your accounts. The last thing I would like to touch on is the overall build quality of the Metal Pless. If you put this plow next to any other plow, there will be a big difference. You will see the interlocking welds of this plow accompanied by reinforcement to make these the best plows on the market. We look forward to hearing from you. With any questions or concerns, please get a hold of us at stormeq.com. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.